Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of TTI. In this video, we are going to explore some of the coolest and strangest means of transportation that will surely blow your mind. So without further ado, let's start the video. BW Air. BW Air is the latest contender to take you to the skies in the aerial battle of the most powerful jetpack. Christened Bubba's Jetpack and designed in collaboration with the good folk over at Martin Aircraft and Oakley, this device somehow manages to install comfort and luxury into a device meant for gliding through the skies. This flying golf cart jetpack soars at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, while reaching heights of 3,000 feet. How does it achieve this feat? Well, the BW Air is powered by a 200 horsepower engine, which lifts this 440-pound device with relative ease and enables this flying machine to take you golfing with style. Interested in this bird's eye view? Then get ready to shell out $250,000 for the inevitable bragging rights. Bubba's Hover. The viral video of Bubba Watson driving around a golf course in a hovercraft golf cart seems to have convinced the world that hovercraft golf carts are a phenomenal idea. While his vehicle was a modified version of a hovercraft that cost $16,000 to $20,000 before any customization, with a motorcycle-style handlebar and a classic golf cart roof. The makers of the vehicle, Oakley and Neoteric, never intended for the vehicle to be mass-produced. They may have to consider it now, though, as the general outpouring of "I want one" has circulated on the internet since the release of the video. Gibbs Humdinga. The Gibbs Humdinga is a high-speed amphibious concept vehicle designed by Gibbs Technologies. The product of more than 15 years of research and development, the Humdinga was specially designed to access remote and hostile terrain. The Humdinga transforms from land to water mode when the driver pushes a button. In this mode, the wheels retract and the powertrain disconnects from driving the wheels to driving only the jet propulsion system. Powered by a 350 bhp V8 engine, capable of 160 km per hour on land and on water at 65 km per hour. This amphibious truck constantly functions in four-wheel drive and has been demonstrated to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.2 seconds, and on water can reach the plane in less than 10 seconds while seating 6 passengers. DeepFlight Dragon. The DeepFlight Dragon can be simply described as a water-based aircraft. How is this possible, you may ask? Well, the Dragon makes use of something called positive buoyancy to achieve its lift, which means that when power is lost or shut down, the device floats up to the surface. If you're worried about figuring out the controls, then you shouldn't be. The Dragon was designed for ease of use and can be operated by the most casual adventurers without any cause for alarm. One thing that may prevent the widespread adoption of the Dragon is the price, coming in at a staggering $1.5 million with all the additional gear. You'd better be seriously loaded before attempting to buy this device, or you can watch your finances sink to the bottom of the ocean. Project Zero. The somewhat ominously naked device just might be the future of helicopters. All it needs is the right battery. Codenamed the AgustaWestland Project Zero, this device is a blend of tilt-rotor lift-fan aircraft, designed by the bright minds over at AgustaWestland as a technology demonstrator. Similar to the Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey, this vehicle combines the takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the flight of an airplane. Another interesting fact about this aircraft is the inclusion of the possibility of using the aircraft in low to no oxygen environments. Imagine flying this aircraft close to an erupting volcano or even Mars. All we need to do is pray that they sort out their battery issues. Badger Breaker 8600. Badger breakers have been in production by the Badger State Highway Equipment Inc. since 1988, and like its name implies, its main function is to break concrete beneath its hammer. The 8600 Badger Breaker is a rubber-tired, self-propelled guillotine-style concrete pavement breaker, created for the sole purpose of cracking concrete pavements for overlaying with asphalt. Or, much like the Norse god Thor, removing concrete in urban areas with the help of its mighty hammer. This monstrous hammer is an 8-foot-wide, 12,000-pound device with an electrically adjustable drop height from 0 to 9 feet. Attached to a machine which is 8.5 feet wide and 18 feet long. The Badger Breaker 8600 is powered by a diesel engine with a capacity of 140 horsepower, which produces a brutal hammer hit up to 35 cycles per minute. AEE Autonomous Machine. Rejoice, for the AEE Autonomous Machine is here to take all your jobs. Well, at least the boring and monotonous ones that you don't want. Like the name implies, this robot carries out its tasks without any need for external control and can be utilized in a number of pursuits including spaceflight, household maintenance such as cleaning, wastewater treatment, and delivering goods and services. Developed by Robo Industries Inc., an innovative company located in Houston, Texas, this device works by converting already existing machines into fully autonomous robots, with plug-and-play design to suit a range of functionalities and improve your productivity by 63%. To do this, they are packed with millimeter-wave radars, 2D and 3D LiDARs, and computer vision systems that make dreary work a thing of the past. Hauler HX1. To round off this list, check out the Hauler HX1, a futuristic hybrid wheel loader and driverless hauler, which made its proof-of-concept debut at the ConExpo IFPE 2017. This battery electric-powered monster was designed to be a revolutionary introduction in the industry, with its onboard hydraulics and 95% reduction in carbon emissions, while allowing a bidirectional work cycle. The vehicle itself measures about 18 feet long and 8 feet wide and has an operating weight of 14,300 pounds, all capable at moving at a relatively rapid pace of 25 miles per hour. This four-wheel drive and four-wheel steering vehicle is powered by 3 electric motors, with 2 dedicated solely to powering the wheels. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane vehicle inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.